What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came out here with another reaction. Once again, we have Platinum here again with that. So we are reacting to Morrisson House and Garage featuring Aitch.
Nah, bro, listen. It's a UK thing, so you have to say garage. Garage.
Garage.
Garage.
Alright. Intro it. What you saying now? What are you reacting to?
Alright. Today we are reacting to Morrisson featuring Aitch, House and Garage. You see that?
You feel
House
nice now?
Yeah, of course.
You feel nice now?
Of course.
Alright, make sure you keep the energy then I sang. Keep the energy there.
Yeah.
So we are reacting.
Before, sorry. House and garage. Garage.
Garage.
Are two genres of music that are popular in the UK. House being, you know, 4x4 4 to the floor club music, and garage is like an offshoot of that. That is a bit more higher tempo. It has.
I got 21 seconds to go. I got 21 seconds to blow.
Hey.
I got 21 seconds to go.
21
seconds. I got 21 seconds to it.
Alright, 21 seconds. You know that one there. See, one there.
The dynamite to get the beat with them lively. And them a shot boo in your head. Lyrical shot get shot my friend. This dynamite pick up a blood clot self. Ready? Let's go.
Okay, straight away. Right, so just a quick comment on the video, what the scenes that we're seeing so far. So do you see the man them running around with the poles and that?
Yeah.
What that is, yeah. So this is all reference. So what they're doing is setting up a pirate radio. So what they're doing is setting up the signal, and I don't know if you saw as well, even the attire. You see what they're wearing?
Yeah.
That is. So
from back in the days.
This is all this is all nostalgic of when house and garage, the genre of garage, was in its infancy. It was it's a very well known UK genre, and it was grown grassroots. So the only way that you could get it at was on pirate radio. So if you set up your own radio station, and it was the same for reggae and dancehall as well, because BBC didn't want to play them kind of things. It's only later on now we have radio 1 Extra and stuff like that allows us to play reggae music and more urban music. Before, it was the music for the people, so we had to put up private radios, and people would set up their own antennas in flat towers and stuff. So yeah, it was like a big unknown operation. So let's go. Also, again, if you notice the attire, see that I missed it.
No.
Oh, see this? Aitch jackets. Aitch jackets. Remember Aitch jackets? That's it's a 90s or an early noughties thing. So early noughties, garage was in its highest platform in the early noughties, and Aitch jackets were popular back then. They were very, very nostalgic. It's all trying to set the scene for the pirate radio, pirate underground party scene that we're about to see through that video.
I've had trees in my house and garage since when? What do you know about garage?
Rare play this up.
Oi.
I have trees in my house and garage. So and I'm house it there and into my garage.
Trees. Yes.
So the weed am I talking now?
Yeah. It's a double.
Yeah.
I roll deep with my heartless crew. I'm straight out of New like 21 Savage.
Bang, just there. Artless crew. So Artless crew. Oh, that's DWE.
What do you know about garage?
Right there. That's Bush Kid, another famous old school garage MC.
Yeah.
From Heartless Crew, which is a famous trio. Famous trio. 2 MCs and a DJ. Heartless Crew. Big up yourself.
I roll deep with my heartless crew. I'm straight out of New like 21 Savage. I was a window shopper in Arabs capping. Now I put the F into fashion. And I got an F on the bonnet. And another 2 F's on a jacket. Lifestyle lavish. English boy in Italian fabrics.
English boy in Italian fabrics, bro.
Designer.
Everything Italian out. No Chinese brand.
Yeah.
Me know we're Chinese, bro.
Yeah.
Got more ties from London to Manny. I give a hype that she wants to get married. I give a hype bump that she wants to get married. Horse and carriage, ring for the cameras, but she can't be the one. She don't support the hammers. Hitting with a hype funk, we just stepped in, it's all eyes on us.
Bro, I swear that this has got a bounce to it. I like.
You know, see my bunks. But watch out, me like the fact that these young artists.
Yeah.
When I say young, I mean like young in the biz.
Yeah, coming now. Yeah.
I show homage and I show respect to the to where the music I come from to know.
Yeah. Yeah.
Me always have to big up the man them who do them something because there's not every artist who does that.
Yes.
So Aitch and Morrisson big up on themselves.
Dark skin girls and the white ones, man pop off like a pop mic. Hitting with a hype funk, we just stepped in, it's all eyes on us. Dark skin girls and the white ones, man pop off like a pop mic.
What's happening, our kid?
Kid. That's
Aitch.
Yeah, that's Aitch. And I think where is he from?
No.
He's from up north. I think he's from Manchester.
Okay.
Yeah, Manchester, which is high up north in the UK, and they speak completely different to the people down south. That where like I'm from, London, and the rest of it. And the greetings said, kid. That's like
Wagwan kid. Yeah.
Kid.
Kids around here, geezer.
You sound like from EastEnders.
You sound like you're from EastEnders. EastEnders
Yeah.
is a popular TV drama soap that just watches in the UK, BBC.
Hey, from Coronation Street.
Styling.
No.
I've had trees in my gaff like Christmas. A mascot leaving the trap, no witness. Used to pray
But
with.
you must say me have tree and I'm a gaff like Christmas, gaff at house. Me have tree and I'm a gaff like Christmas, weed again. So the first Morrisson say him have tree in I'm house and him garage. Him say him have tree and I'm house like Christmas. Two of them on the same wavelength as it start. Ready?
Beds at the door, now I get lost in my gaff, it's different. I was 16, swerving the cameras, 18, fans start asking for pictures. Mad how a lot of shit changed, I'm still the same age, I just got a bit distant.
Wow. Stealing pizzas from the delivery.
Man, I the pizza man there.
Yeah, man bag full of loose weed and Rizzlers. Pull up in the SV twinning, I give a hype, now she wanna have triplets. Yeah, give a.
What I'm saying, I give her hype.
I hope that you want to have triplet.
Hype.
Yeah,
That's a slang from
but 2003.
when a garage man them though.
Yeah.
Hit him with the hype.
issue. Then I hit it with a hype. You remember that shit? I'm sorry, man.
One night, now she's trying to be Mrs. Sorry, I'm rolling, it's plenty more fishes. Told her I can't mix pleasure with business.
Hitting with a hype funk, we just stepped in, it's all eyes on us. Dark skin girls and the white ones.
Also, watch out, the little tower blocks and that, it's all indicative of London living, especially around them time as well.
Man pop off like a pop mic. Hitting with a hype funk, we just stepped in, it's all eyes on us. Dark skin girls and the white ones. Man pop off like a pop mic. Man pop off like a pop mic.
Like a thief in
Hitting
Ross.
with a hype. Man pop off like a pop mic. Man pop off like a pop mic. Hitting with a hype. Man pop off like a pop mic. I've had trees in my house and
Run it down.
garage.
Catch him.
Since Wiley, what do you know about garage? I roll deep with my heartless crew. I'm straight out of Newham like 21 Savage.
Him say something about Newham. Him out of Newham like 21 Savage. This is that because he's originally from the UK though.
Yeah,
21
21 Savage is actually originally from the UK.
Yeah.
He has
I wanna him brother get stabbed and killed last year though.
Yeah, he passed away.
R.I.P.
I'm straight out of Newham like 21 Savage. Hitting with a hype funk, we just stepped in, it's all eyes on us. Dark skin girls and the white ones. Man pop off like a pop mic. Hitting with a hype funk, we just stepped in, it's all eyes on us. Dark skin girls and the white ones. Man pop off like a pop mic.
Alright, yeah DJ. Tell me now. You hear any house music in this? Any house in this?
No. This is
Garage though.
This is more garage. The house and garage reference is just for the double meaning in it. But this is more
Off garage.
it's a garage song. This is what garage sound like in
back in the days.
Yeah, back in the days.
Man pop off like a pop mic. Hitting with a hype. Man pop off like a pop mic.
Yo,
That was dope.
me like that.
Yeah, that was
Me
sick.
like that. Me really, really enjoyed that. And if you notice, me head a bounce all the way through.
You don't want to pause it.
Me head a bounce and me enjoy it. Me head a bounce.
Yeah.
You see me?
That's gonna be hot for the summer. I
And
reckon that'll be big.
honestly, you break down this better than how I could have break it down. Because you know the history with the music in the UK. So
Yeah.
for you break down this, me like the facts you're there with me and you help me break it down. Respect for that.
bless, man.
Appreciate that.
Anytime.
You see me? So guys, if you enjoy the breakdown, yeah, reaction, because you might have a reaction / breakdown still. Let me know what go on. What you say, bro?
Yeah. My sentiments exactly.
Yeah.
Man. Bad. I reckon this is gonna be big for the summer.
Big, you reckon though?
Yeah,
Take a shot, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Take a get numbers. So big up on yourself. This is where you're gonna end the one, yeah. If you wanna enjoy it, please leave a like, please subscribe if you're new. And also guys, don't forget. The full song is always in the description below. You hear that? So we're outside, now the girl them outside.